In this short video, I'm going to show you how to set up your gradebook so that you can have 4 categories, each counting 25%. Now you'll notice here I have just a sample class. In this class I've got a project, I've got some discussion boards, there are some exams in here. So let me open up the gradebook, settings and grades. In the gradebook, I'll click on categories and items, and you'll notice that I have exams. There are 2 exams worth 10 points each for 20 points. I have 2 homework items worth 25 points each for 50 points. I have 1 project that's worth 25 points, and I have 8 discussion boards, each worth 10 points for a total of 80. But suppose I want the discussion boards, the project, the homework, and the exams to be 25% of the final grade. Well, the way to do that is to change this aggregation method. Now I'm going to change the aggregation method for the gradebook from sum of grades, which does a simple total of the points, to what's called the weighted mean of grades. Now when I make this change, Moodle's going to change the screen and ask me now the weight for each category. So for exams, I can put in a weight of 25%. For homework, 25%. For project, 25%. And discussions, 25%. Now notice I don't have to put the percent sign out there. If I want, I can put it as 0.25 instead of just 25. If I do that, though, I'd want to be consistent and do it the same way on each one. Again, Moodle doesn't matter whether you put a 0.25 or just 25. Now, when Moodle totals up everything for the course, it will weight all of these grades together, and instead of 80 points, it will make all of these worth 25% of the total grade for this class. That's how you would do weightings for categories. Within each category, we're still going to just sum up points. So the students will understand they got 25 points and 25 points, 50 points total for homework. But then homework will be weighted to only 25% of all of the points possible in this course. That's how you do aggregation in order to get a weighted value for each of the categories. If you have questions, be sure and contact the staff of the Cochise College Virtual Campus.